Alright, YouTube land, what are we playing with today? Well, we have installed in the VFD powered drill press a distributor from a 350cc V8 Chevy 1993 5.7 liter C1500 pickup truck. This is the distributor. I've got a clamp here so that the body doesn't rotate when the press is turned on. But if we turn on the VFD drill press, you come over here, it spins the distributor shaft and the vice grips kind of hold it so that the body doesn't spin. We've got a couple of T-pins. We've got a couple of T-pins in the connector for the coil, the pickup coil, and the coil is in there. The reason this distributor was replaced, I don't know if it's going to show up, but the wires are 30 years old and they're cracked and corroded. The insulation's off and there's the green crusties. But this is amazing. I put this sucker in the drill press, and let me turn up the speed of the drill press a little bit. Look at the wobble on that thing. It's just spinning the distributor shaft, and that's the way it spins inside when it's connected to the engine. It's been running that way for 30 years. Anywho, we'll turn that down a bit. Now here's the amazing thing. The pickup coil I've got connected to a 510 Fernerzi scope, oscilloscope, and we can actually see. Let me turn off the light there to the drill press, and we can see the signal that the pickup coil is generating. And if I slow it down, and if I speed it up, you can hear it. That's just the power from the coil and the magnetic posts and the way the distributor is built. But there is the signal on an oscilloscope as to how that pickup coil generates and sends its notions to the EMC and the ignition control module for spark fire. Well, I tell you what, these little pocket scopes, this pocket scope was below $40 off Amazon, and it is the neatest thing to play with. And at 40 bucks you can play with it and you can learn all about oscilloscopes and taking measurements, and if you fry the thing, who cares? Practice with this and get a better one when you're more comfortable with how they work. There we go. We turn up the distributor speed. There we go. And we bring it down. So there's nothing wrong with the pickup coil other than the fact that it's 30 years old and the insulation on it is corroding and the wires are going to go at some point. And when I saw that, I was having some other ignition problems too, and I was like, you know what, while we're in here, let's just replace the whole distributor. And then since I had the old one in the garage, I was like, let's play with the oscilloscope and get a reading of the pickup coil off the old distributor. Kind of neat. Alright, YouTube, that's it. Geek time is over for now. Bye.